Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily remove photos in Zillow. So first, you may want to head over to zillow.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next is click on Manage Rentals or hover your mouse, then click on My Listings. Next is click on the specific listing in which you would like to remove the photos from. So from the listing overview, head over and click on listing. Then just proceed by adding details about your listing. You can click on the resume button if it's available for you. Now from here, we're just going to click on next until we get to the media section. So once again, click on next. And from here, you can see all the photos that you added for this listing. And to delete a specific photo, click on that photo. Then click on Delete Photo. Just repeat the same process to delete all your unwanted photos in this listing. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!